Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Love Like You. We'll begin by identifying the core chords that form the song's foundation. Then, we'll explore a simple yet effective strumming pattern that captures its gentle rhythm. Finally, we'll introduce the main melody, helping you connect the notes to the chords for a cohesive sound. This approach will build your confidence step by step. The primary chords for Love Like You are C major, G major, A minor, and F major. These four chords repeat throughout most of the song, making it accessible for many players. For strumming, try a gentle down, down, up, down pattern. Focus on keeping your strumming hand relaxed and consistent. Practice transitioning between these chords slowly at first, ensuring each change is clean and clear. The beautiful melody of Love Like You often utilizes notes found within the C major scale, giving it a familiar and comforting sound. For those interested in fingerpicking, a simple arpeggio pattern can be applied to each chord, plucking individual strings rather than strumming. Try picking the root, third, and fifth notes of each chord. Once comfortable, try to weave the melody notes into your fingerpicking, creating a richer, more intricate sound. Consistent practice is key to mastering Love Like You. Aim for at least 15 minutes each day to build muscle memory and improve your technique. Using a metronome will significantly help you maintain a steady tempo and improve your rhythm. Start at a slow pace and gradually increase the speed as you become more comfortable. Remember to check the description below for links to helpful resources, other deals, and a fantastic e-reader that lets you read anywhere. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing this lovely song beautifully in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.